Did you know that over 1 billion short videos are watched every day on platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts? That's insane. And here's the thing. Millions of people are already using AI tools to create these videos. It's fast, it's easy, and it's how creators are going viral and making serious money. But here's the catch. Most people either don't know how to use AI or think it's complicated. That's where things change with this tool I found called Clipwise. It's not just a video creator, it's a complete game changer for creators like us. And if you stick around, I'll show you how you can use it to create videos effortlessly and make money through its awesome affiliate program. Let's dive in. Introduction. Alright, so let me show you why Clipwise is such a game changer. This tool takes all the stress out of video creation. Imagine you have an idea or even a blog article you like. You can just drop it into Clipwise and it'll generate a fully customized video for you in minutes. Here's how it works. First, you pick your language. Clipwise supports many popular languages, so you're not limited. Then, you set the video length, type in your idea, or upload a link, and let the AI work its magic. It even suggests creative ideas if you're stuck. The tool also lets you choose a visual theme, whether you want a cinematic vibe, a chill style, or even a documentary look. Clipwise has got you covered. You can also add a voiceover. Pick the tone, accent, and gender. Want to spice it up more? You can add cartoon avatars and tweak every little detail of the script and visuals until it's just right. Now let's talk money. Clipwise offers 3 pricing plans that are super budget friendly. The basic plan is just $25, but if you go for the annual option, it drops to $10. That's a 60% discount. The standard and premium plans also offer huge savings. Standard drops from $49 to $20, and the premium from $79 to $32. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Clipwise makes video creation easy and affordable. But wait, there's more. It's not just a tool to create videos. You can also make money by joining their affiliate program. Let's talk about that next. Affiliate program. If you're considering earning money with Clipwise, their affiliate program is the perfect opportunity. It's designed for everyone, whether you're just starting out or already have a social media following. Here's why it's great. You get 30% recurring commissions for every customer you bring in. That means if someone signs up through your link, you'll keep earning as long as they stay subscribed. You'll then receive payments via PayPal or bank transfer at the end of each month. The program highlights its top benefits, like promoting a world-class AI product in a trending niche. Everyone needs video content these days, and Clipwise has a high conversion rate because it's a tool people genuinely find useful. Their website even showcases the potential earnings, which can go up to $3,412 annually for dedicated affiliates. All you need to do is share your unique affiliate link on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, and watch the commissions roll in. Clipwise on YouTube. If you've ever searched for Clipwise on YouTube, you've probably noticed how much buzz it's creating. Just type in Clipwise AI, and you'll find tons of videos made by creators who are either using or promoting it. This shows how fast it's gaining popularity. These videos highlight why Clipwise is standing out. It's not just another tool, it's a trending product in the content creation world. You'll see creators showing off how easy it is to make high-quality videos, and many of them are earning money through the affiliate program. This kind of visibility isn't just great for the tool itself, it's also a big advantage for affiliates. Promoting a product that already has buzz makes it easier for you to attract clicks and conversions. Joining the affiliate program. Step 1. Head over to the official Clipwise affiliate program page at Clipwise Partner. Here you'll find all the details about the program, including benefits like 30% recurring revenue monthly, weekly payouts, and how you can make money by promoting Clipwise to your audience. Step 2. Click the Start Earning Today button on the page. This will take you to the registration form. You can sign up with your email address or log in using Google for a faster process. Once you're in, fill out the basic details, like your name. The system will automatically create an affiliate ID for you based on your full name, but you can change it if you want something custom. After that, accept the terms and click Start Now to proceed. Step 3. After registration, you'll land on the settings page. Here's what you need to do. Enter your billing details. Navigate to the Settings tab and fill in your billing details. This includes your full address, city, postal code, and country. Add your payment method. Go to the Payment section in Settings and select PayPal as your method. Enter your PayPal email carefully to ensure you get your payouts without issues. Once done, save your details. Step 4. After completing the setup, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is where all the action happens. You can track your clicks, the number of people clicking your affiliate link, conversions, how many of those clicks turn into paying customers, revenue, how much you've earned so far, payouts, your total payouts and upcoming payments. The dashboard is easy to navigate and gives you a clear picture of your progress. Step 5. Now comes the exciting part, getting your unique affiliate link. Go to the Offer List section in your dashboard. Here, you'll see your personalized link that you can share on your social media platforms. Simply copy the link and start sharing it with your audience. The more people you bring in, the higher your earnings will be. Step 6. To maximize your earnings, share your link on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. You can create content showing how Clipwise works or how easy it is to make AI-generated videos. Since Clipwise is already a trending tool, it's easier to attract clicks and signups. Once people start signing up through your link, you'll see your earnings grow. Joining the Clipwise affiliate program is a straightforward process, and the potential for earning is huge. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned content creator, this program can help you turn your audience into a source of steady income. Maximizing success with Clipwise. If you want to get the most out of Clipwise, here are some quick tips. Choose a niche. Focus on a topic that excites you and has a large audience. Whether it's fitness, gaming, or tutorials, staying consistent with one niche builds trust and engagement. Create eye-catching content. Use Clipwise's customization features to make visually appealing videos. Experiment with themes, AI voiceover, avatars, and overlays to grab viewers' attention. Leverage social media. Promote your videos and affiliate links on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. More visibility means more clicks and conversions. Track performance. Use the affiliate dashboard to analyze clicks and revenue. Adjust your strategies based on what's working. Be consistent. Success takes time. Keep creating and sharing content regularly for steady growth. Clipwise isn't just another AI tool. It's a complete solution for video creation. It simplifies video production, boosts creativity, and opens the door to consistent earnings. If you've been struggling with content creation or monetization, Clipwise is the answer. Hey, before you go, check this out. I've got another video on your screen right now that's perfect for you. It's all about multiplying your income in ways you might not have considered. If you found today's tips helpful, I'm sure you'll find the next one even more exciting. Give it a click. I promise it's worth your time.